Welcome to our Actively Growing series, brought to you by Active Home Center, where we highlight customers, designers, and contractors doing home renovation projects.
Hi everybody, my name is Christopher Harper. I'm a 29-year-old, almost 30 attorney. This is my first apartment and I'm actively growing. I actually saw a video of Tammy and Wayne on Instagram doing their first bathroom renovation. I actually thought that the work they did was beautiful, so I looked to see where did they get all of these items, you know, the fixtures and everything, the tile. And then I saw that it was Active Home Center, so I went down there and found everything I needed for my first set of renovations. And so when I started to venture into how I wanted to style the space, dress the space, I knew Active was the perfect place. So I consider Active for my home finishes because I think that's the best place in Jamaica to find modern fixtures, fittings, furnishings, everything. And because I knew what I wanted the space to look like, I definitely thought Active would have been the most ideal place to find everything. And personally, I love a strong social media presence because if I can't see what a space can look like or the potential of a space, then it won't really pull me in, and Active had a strong social media presence. Also, you know, I love when a company has a website that I can frequently visit because I want to see what you have, and Active's website really helps me a lot in pulling pictures, pulling things together to really see how it would look in the space as I planned. And I also just love that it was budget friendly and affordable. Like, I found some really nice pieces for some really great prices. Actually, I got quite a number of items from Active. First one is this couch. It's light grey sectional. I thought it was really nice. It's spacious. It has a pull-out section that was really convenient for me. Also got a nice lighting fixture because I wanted to add some character to the foyer. I got an office desk. I work from home occasionally, so I definitely needed a workspace. And I also got my kitchen range hood because I thought microwaves may not be a practical thing anymore, so I wanted to ensure that my area was properly ventilated. And I got my entire island, kitchen island, including the cabinets, countertops, and the bar stools from Active. I really have like 3 nice short tips for young people who are interested in purchasing their home. And it's one, when it comes down to financing your first apartment or your first purchase, or you know, whatever it is, I would definitely recommend that you try to save at least 15% of the value of whatever it is that you want to buy, because at the time I never realized how many associated costs there were with home ownership. So we're talking about closing costs, lawyer fees, processing fees, talking about valuation, surveys, and it's a lot of additional costs that you don't originally contemplate when going out on this particular venture. A second tip that I'd recommend is to be organized. Organization has helped me so much with this space. I have my little planning app that allowed me to lay out the furniture. I had to basically organize what room first to see what items I needed. So for me, prioritizing the kitchen and the living space was definitely important, and by being organized, I was definitely able to accomplish that. And my third and final tip would be to, you know, go at your own pace, because not everything will happen immediately. It will take time because, as you can imagine, it will take money. But go at your own pace. Ensure that you find items that speak to you, that reflect your character, what you want for the space, and have fun with it. Because for me, I'm dressing this space exactly how I want it to be. So, you know, find the pieces that, you know, add a little flair, add a little color, add a little, you know, through art or whatever, but just have fun because it's your space. Decorate it how you want it, and yeah, just have fun with it. Active has helped me in a very massive way insofar as, not only as I stated earlier, they are the one-stop shop, but the team at Active is very helpful, very resourceful. I love how aware they are, how insightful. They basically help me to pool the space. I remember anybody from the team, I could simply ask, what do you think about this? Here's what the space looks like. What do you think about me adding this? And they're very receptive, very responsive. You know, the marketing team was also a great help to me in putting the space together. And you know, dealing with my little fun reels that I would post on social media now and again. And I just really found, you know, the overall team, down to the men packing the delivery vehicles, to be just very friendly and helpful. Follow my social media on Instagram and on TikTok at Chris X Harper, and follow my journey on Active Home Center social media pages.